You lose.
I know you've been having some earwax problems.
What?
Earwax problems.
What about it?
I finally found the solution. It's the Wax Blaster MD.
Let me see that. Huh.
It works as quick as 15 minutes. It's doctor recommended and clinic proven. And it comes with 5 Earwax MD single-use vials for free.
Looks like a squirt gun to me.
No, Grandpa. It's an irrigator.
An alligator?
Hey! It's gonna be
My
dead.
last put him strip. You got it. Yes.
All right, Grandpa. So what these little things do is you put these in your ear, right? And it dissolves your earwax. After that, you put it up to your ear and you just rinse it right out.
Right.
Tilt your head a little bit.
Okay. 2 drops there. And then, this goes here. And it comes out the other ear.
Okay. Oh, you're silly, Grandpa.
Hey, you're silly. You got my genes.
All I'm saying is that this is gonna help with your muffled hearing.
I don't wear earrings.
I love you, Grandpa.
You're a great kid.
Wax Blaster MD. Blast the wax.